In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a histogram or column chart using Microsoft Word. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're not very familiar with charts or with Word, you'll be able to follow along and create a clean, professional-looking column chart by the end. First, open Microsoft Word, and either create a new blank document or open an existing one where you want the chart to appear. Place your cursor exactly where you want the chart to be inserted. This could be under a heading, inside a report, or between paragraphs of text. Positioning your cursor is important, because Word will drop the chart right at that point. Next, go to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps all the objects you can add to your document, like pictures, tables, and, in our case, charts. Look for the chart option in the Illustrations group and click it. As soon as you do that, Word will open a dialog box showing many different chart types. In that dialog box, look to the left-hand panel and find the column category. This is where you'll see the basic column chart options that can also be used to represent histogram-style data. Choose the style that best matches what you need, such as a simple clustered column, which is great for most situations. Once you've selected your preferred column chart type, click OK. Word will now insert a sample chart into your document, and at the same time, open a small spreadsheet window, usually powered by Excel. This spreadsheet contains placeholder data that drives the chart. To turn this into your own histogram or column chart, simply replace the sample values with your actual data. You can edit the numbers, the category labels along the bottom, and the series names if needed. As you type, you'll see the chart in your Word document update in real time. If you don't need as many columns as the sample shows, you can delete extra rows or columns from the datasheet. If you need more, just extend the selection by dragging the blue outline in the spreadsheet to cover the additional data. When you're done entering all your values, you can close the spreadsheet window. Don't worry, you can always reopen it later by right-clicking the chart and choosing the Edit Data option. Now that your data is in place, you can customize the look of your chart. Click once on the chart to select it, and you'll see new chart tools appear at the top of Word, usually labeled Design and Format or similar, depending on your version. Under Design, you can quickly switch to different built-in chart styles and color schemes that match your document. Under Format, you can adjust things like fonts, shapes, and the overall layout. You can also click directly on chart elements, such as the title, axis labels, and legend, to rename or format them. For example, change the generic chart title to something meaningful that describes your data, like sales by month or frequency of scores. If your data represents ranges, similar to a histogram, make sure your category labels along the horizontal axis clearly show those ranges. Take a moment to resize and reposition the chart so it fits nicely in your document. You can drag the corners to make it bigger or smaller, and drag the entire chart to move it up or down the page. When everything looks the way you want, your histogram or column chart is ready to use, print, or share as part of your Word document.